warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khairi Aminat Minjana and my student number is 073. In this video, I'm going to talk about memory skill in interpreting. Memory is very important because interpreters don't just listen, they also need to remember the message and deliver it clearly in another language. If the memory is not strong enough, even a small mistake can change the whole meaning. That is why memory is considered one of the core skills in interpreting. And the next is type of memory. The main type of memory used in interpreting is working memory or short-term memory. This type of memory helps us keep information in our mind for a short time while we are still listening and processing the message. For example, when someone speaks in a long sentence, we need to hold the first part of the sentence in our memory while still listening to the rest. According to Seleskovich, interpreting is not about translating word by word, but about understanding the meaning and expressing it again in another language. So, interpreting focuses more on meaning rather than individual words. Gill's effort model. According to Gill, interpreting involves three main efforts. The first is listening and analysis. This includes understanding the words, the tone, and the speaker's intention. And the second is production. This is the process of delivering the message in the target language in a clear and natural way. The third is short-term memory. This helps us remember information during the interpreting process. Especially when the speech is fast or complex, there is also coordination effort which helps manage all of the process at the same time. This shows that interpreting requires handling multiple tasks simultaneously. And the next is problems if memory is weak. Weak memory can cause several problems in interpreting. One common problem is omission, where some parts of the message are missing. There can also be mistakes in details such as numbers, colors, or important information. In addition, incorrect linking words or unclear meaning can reduce the accuracy of the interpretation. Even small errors can affect the overall message and make it less reliable. And the next is how to improve memory. Memory skill can be improved through regular practice. One technique is shadowing, which involves repeating what the speaker says directly. This helps improve focus and listening ability. Another technique is shadowing with a twist, where the repetition is done after a short pause. This makes the exercise closer to real interpreting situations. Paraphrasing is also useful. It involves expressing the same idea using different words, so the focus is on meaning rather than memorizing. Attentive listening is also important, especially by focusing on key elements such as who, what, when, where, why, and how. Visualization can also help by imagining the situation in the mind, so the information becomes easier to remember. The next is challenge. Interpreting also involves several challenges. Interpreters need to remember a large amount of information while also dealing with stress and maintaining concentration. They are also required to stay neutral and avoid adding personal opinions into the message. In many situations, interpreters work under pressure, so maintaining focus is very important. Practice and preparation play a key role in overcoming this challenge. So, memory skill is one of the most important aspects of interpreting. It affects how well a message is understood and delivered. With consistent practice and the right techniques, memory can be improved over time. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.